Do you wish to speak Igbo language fluently? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. It's meant to equip you with enough vocabulary to enable you to speak Igbo language anytime, anywhere, without any hindrance. So if you are ready for this, let's go and do it together. Be sure to watch to the very end. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Guzibo. Let's go. You are welcome to class. Let's do this together. We're beginning with the first word or verb, which is bia, meaning come. Bia, come. What is the past tense of bia? The past tense of bia is biara. Biara, came. Biara, came. We'll move on to number 2. The verb is banye, which is enter. What is the past tense of banye? The past tense of banye is banyere. Banyere, entered. Let's go on. Number 3. And the word is binye, lend. Binye, lend. What is the past tense of this? The past tense is binyere. Binyere, lent. Binyere, lent. Move on to number 4. And the word is bite. Bite, meaning borrow. The past tense of bite is bitere. Bitere, borrowed. Bitere, borrowed. We move to number 5. And the word is bipu, meaning cut off. Bipu, cut off. Let's go to the past tense. And it is bipuru. Bipuru, cut off. Let's go on to number 6. And the word is be, which means leave. Be, leave. And the past tense of leave is biri, which means leaved. Biri, leaved. Sometimes biri is also used as present tense, depending on where and how it is used. But in this case, be, present tense, biri, leaved, past tense. Move on to number 7. And the word is bupu, meaning carry away. Bupu, carry away. Let's look at the past tense of bupu. The past tense is bupuru. Bupuru, which means carried away. Let's go on to number 8. And the word is buru, carry. The difference between the first one and this, the other one is bupu. This one is just buru, carry. Let's look at the past tense of buru. And the past tense is buru. W. Buru. Buru. Okay. Some will also say burugo. Okay. But the perfect one at this point, the simple past tense is buru. Let's move on to number 9. And what do we have? What we have is bute, carry in. Bute, carry in. The opposite of bupu. Bupu is carry out. Bute is carry in. Let's look at the past tense of this. And the past tense is butere. Butere, carried in. Butere. We'll move on to number 10. The word is bubiga. Bubiga, meaning carry over. Over something. Okay, let's look at the past tense of bubiga. And the past tense is bubigara. Bubigara, carried over. Let's go on to number 11. The word is cheta. Cheta, which means remember. Remember. What is the past tense of cheta? The past tense is chetara. Chetara, remembered. Okay, let's go on to number 12. The word is chefu. This is the opposite of cheta. Of course, remember, cheta is remember. This is the direct opposite. Chefu or chefue, forget. Sometimes we replace the O, the E at the back with O to sound chefu, but in this case, chefue. Let's look at the past tense of this. The past tense is chefuru. Chefuru, forgot. Chefue, present. Chefuru, forgot. Past tense. Let's move on to number 13. And the word is chepo. Chepo. That means pack out. It refers to a number of items, not a single item. Chepo. If it is one item, we call it wepu. But if there are many, it is chepo, pack out. What is the past tense of this? That is chiporo. Chiporo, packed out. Chiporo. Move on to number 14, and the word is che, which means think. Think. What is the past tense of che? The past tense is chere. Chere. This is low, low for the vowels. If you move it to high, high tone, it sounds chere, chere, which means wait. The meaning will change automatically. But when it is low, low for the vowels, it is think, chere. Past tense of think, thought, chere. But if you move it to high, high tone, chere, it becomes wait. Please be conscious of the sound. Okay, let's move on to number 15. And the word is chute, which means fetch. Chute, as we do for liquid, water, or other things like that. What is the past tense of chute? The past tense is chutere. Chutere, fetched. Okay, move on to number 16. And the word is chilite, gather up, referring to many things also, that you gather from the ground and lift them up. Chilite. What is the past tense of chilite? The past tense is chilitere. Chilitere, gathered up. Move on from here to 17. And the word is chopota. Chopota, which means discover or find out. Let's go to the past tense of this word. And the past tense is chopotara. Chopotara. It has to go low, low for the last two A's in the vowel. If you say chopotara, it means a different thing. But it has to go low. Chopotara. Discovered. Move to number 18. And the word is da, meaning fall. The past tense of da is what? Dara. Fell. Dara. Fell. Move on to number 19. And the verb or word is dapo, which means fall off. Fall off. Possibly from a container, a basket, or any other thing like that. Past tense of dapo is what? Daporo. Daporo. Fell off. Daporo. We move to number 20, and the verb is danye. Danye, which means fall into. Opposite of dapo is danye. Remember, dapo here is fall off, while danye is fall into. Direct opposite. What is the past tense of danye? The past tense is daniere. Daniere. If you observe the trend, you will see that the past tense tone is always going low, low, especially towards the end of the word. The tone goes low. Daniere. Okay? Fell into. Move on to 21. And the word or verb is de, which means write. Write. What is the past tense of write? The past tense is dere, wrote. Dere, wrote. Let's go on to 22. And the word is duo. Duo, lead. And the past tense of duo is duru. Duru, led. Duru, led. Let's go on to 23. And that is dupu, lead away. The other one is simply lead, duo. But when it comes to dupu, it's lead away or escort as one is going out. Let's look at the past tense. Dupuru, led away. Dupuru, led away. Go to 24. And the word is dupue or dupuo. If you choose to change it, O-E at the end of the word to O, it sounds dupuo. It's also meaning the same thing. In this case, we have dupue pias, especially with a sharp object. What is the past tense of dupuo? The past tense is dupuru. Dupuru, piast, dupuru. Let's go to 25. The verb or word is fe, meaning fly. Remember, don't say fe, it's a double E. Fe, fly. What is the past tense of fly? It is fere. Fere, flew. Fere, flew. Let's go on to 26. The verb or word is for, blow. You cannot, some people will prefer to use for, replacing the A at the end of for with O to sound for, okay, blow, as to blow air into a flute or any instrument or any object like balloon or whatever. That is what we have for that. Now let's go to the past tense. It is foro, blew. Are you aware that we have reduced most of our videos to ebooks with the aim of giving you material to fall back on and also help you to learn faster even in the absence of your teacher or even when you are offline? These books are unique in the sense that they come with text, pictures and audio which are downloadable. So with these, you have your teacher always with you. How do you get these books? Very simple. Dive into the description box of this video. You will see a link to our bookshop. You can also check our channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. Click on the link and you will land in our bookshop where you have varieties of books that are simplified and unique, and they will surely help you to learn faster. So hit on any of them and buy today, and you'll be glad you did. Let's go on with this lesson. Blue. Let's move on to 27. And the word is fanye. Fanye, squeeze in. As you squeeze in something into another thing. And the past tense of fanye is fanyere. Fanyere. Squeezed in. We move on to 28. And the word is fopu. Some will prefer to use H in place of F to sound hopu. Hopu. But in this case, we use fopu. Pull off. Pull off. What is the past tense of fopu? The past tense is fopuru. Fopuru. Pulled off. Pulled off. Fopuru. Let's move on to 29. And the word is ga, meaning go. Ga, meaning go. What is the past tense of this? It is gara, went. Gara, went. Let's move on to 30 now. The word is gabiga. Gabiga, meaning pass over. What is the past tense of gabiga? The past tense is gabigara. Gabigara, passed over. Let's go. 31. And the word is guo, dig. There is a time we also use G-U-O, but this is G-U-O. We have another one. Let me just move to this. We have G-U-O also, but having dot under U and dot under O. The sound is different, even though the spelling look alike. But let's go back to guo. What does this mean? This one means dig. Dig, okay? Past tense of guo is guru. Guru, dog. But when we move on to use dot under U and dot under O, the alphabet changes and the sound changes. This one is go. Why this one is go? This one is go, which means read or count, as the case may be. Let's look at the past tense of this. This is goro. Goro, okay? Why the other one for go is guru, no dot under. Sound different. Guru. This one is go. Past tense is goro. Goro. I hope this is clear enough. Let's move on to 33. And the word is gopo. Gopo, meaning exonerate. Exonerate. What is the past tense of this? The past tense is goporo. Goporo. Exonerated. Exonerated. Goporo. Let's go on. 34. The word is geente, which means listen. Listen. Geente. What is the past tense of this? The past tense is gereente. Listened. When you have a compound word, the emphasis on the changing from present to past is the first word between the two words, which in this case is ge. We have ge and inte. Inte is ear. Ge is listen, pay attention. So when we are changing to past tense, the ge is the only one that will be affected. Inte remains. So we have gere inte, as we have it here. Ge inte, past tense, gere inte, listened. We have that playing out in all compound words. Let's go on. 35. And the word is gokota, which means count, especially count together. Okay? And then the past tense of this is gokotara, counted. Gokotara, counted, especially counted together. Let's go. We are going to 36 now. And the word is ba, which means run. Run, ba. It can also mean shoot, ba. Let's look at the past tense. And that is bara, ran, bara, ran. Okay, let's move on to 37. And the word is babuo. Okay, shoot to death or shoot death. What is the past tense of this? Past tense is baburu. Baburu, shot dead. Let's go on to 38. The word is bapu. Bapu means run away. Run away. What is the past tense of bapu? It is baporo. Baporo, ran away. Let's go. 39. Bopota is the word, which means vomit. Bopota, vomit. What is the past tense of this? It is bopotara. Bopotara, vomited. Okay, go to 40 now. And the word is buo, which means kill. Buo, kill. What is the past tense of buo? It is buru. Buru, killed. Buru, killed. Let's go on to 41. And the word is butuo, meaning cut down, as we do for trees. Butuo, what is the past tense of butuo? The past tense is buturu. Buturu, cut down. Of course, we move on to 42. And the word is bochie, meaning prevent or hinder. What is the past tense of bochie? The past tense is bochiri. Bochiri, hindered or prevented. Let's go there. 43. The word is basa. Basa meaning spread. What is the past tense of basa? It is basara. Basara, spread. And we'll move on to 44. The word here is ra. Please listen to the sound. Ra, not ga. This is a, gh, ra, meaning so. And the past tense of ra is rara. Rara, rara, sold. Let's move on. 45 is rota. Rota. This is not gota, not G. GH is one alphabet. Sounds A. Rota. Understand. The past tense is rotara. Rotara. Understood. Let's go. 46. The verb is robuo. Robuo meaning cheat or deceive. Let's go on to the past tense of this. And that is roburu. Roburu, cheated. Roburu, cheated. Let's go on to 47. And the word is ropota. Ropota, which means scoop out. As we do for coconut, we want to scoop out the coconut seed from the shell. This is the word to use in Igbo language. Ropota. What is the past tense of that? It is ropotara. Scooped out. Ropotara. Let's go on to 48. And the word is gua, meaning tail. Gua, meaning tail. What is the past tense of gua? The past tense is guara. Guara, toad. Guara, toad. Let's go to 49. And the verb is guo, double O, draw it longer. Guo, meaning heal. What is the past tense of guo? It is guoro. Guoro, healed. Guoro, healed. We go to 50. And the word is guputa. Guputa, which means dig out. Dig out. What is the past tense of guputa? It is guputara. Guputara, dug out. Let's go. 51. Gumie is the word. Gumie, dig deep. Gumie. What is the past tense of gumie? It is gumiri. Gumiri, dug deep. Let's go to 52. And the word is hon, which means see. Hon, see. The past tense of hon is honro. Honro, saw. Honro, saw. Okay. Let's go to 53. The word is hapu, meaning leave. Hapu, leave. Past tense of hapu is hapuru. Hapuru, left. Let's go. 54. The word is here, which means lie, especially lying down. Okay, what is the past tense of here? It is hiri. Hiri, lay. Hiri, lay. Let's move. 55. And the word is hazir, which means organize. Organize. What is the past tense of hazir? It is haziri. Haziri, organized. Okay, let's go to 56. And the verb here is horror. Horror meaning choose. Horror, choose. Let's look at the past tense. It is horror. Horror, choose. Horror, double O, draw it longer. Horror, choose. All right, let's go to 57. And the word is J, which means go to or go. J. What is the past tense of J? J is the same thing as ga, whichever you choose to use. The past tense is jere. Jere. If you use ga here, it becomes gara. Okay? That is went to or went. And the 58 is jeruo. There's a difference between J and jeruo. J is just go or go to somewhere. But when you say J is just go. Okay? But jeruo is get to a particular point. Jerue, you must get to a particular point. The place we mentioned to you. Jerue, so place. Okay, get to. Okay, and the past tense of jeruo is jeruru. 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 Got to. Okay, let's move to 59. And the word is jehuru. Jehuru, which means go to meet. Jehuru, go to meet. Okay, the name of somebody will be mentioned to you, or so person. Jehuru, so onye de otua. Jehuru, so person. Go to meet so person. Okay, let's go to the past tense. It is jehuru. Jehuru, W, that's all the difference. Jehuru, went to meet somebody. Let's go to 60, and that is jide, as a word. Jide, meaning hold or catch. Okay, what is the past tense of jide? It is jidere. Jidere, held or caught. Okay, let's go to 61. The word is juo. Juo means ask. What is the past tense of juo? It is joro. Joro, asked. We are moving to 62. Follow me. And the word is ju. Ju, fill up. Ju, fill up. What is the past tense of ju? It is juru. Juru, filled up. We are going. 63. And the word is jo. Look at the two. Ju, no dot under the U. And this one is jo, dot under the U. Sound different. The other one, ju, this one, jo. And this means reject or refuse. Okay, and the past tense of jo is joro, joro. Okay, while the past tense of ju is juru, fill up. Okay, so always pay attention to the dots under and where to have no dot under. The sounds will always change. This one, jo, jo, reject, joro, rejected. Let's go on to 64, and the word is kabuo, which means cancel. Kabuo. What is the past tense of kabuo? We have kaburu. Kaburu. Cancelled. Let's go. 65. The word is ke, which means tie. Ke, tie. What is our past tense of tie? Ke is kere. Kere, tied. All right, let's go. 66. The word is kele, which means greet or salute. What is the past tense of kele? The past tense is kelere. Kelere, greeted. We are going. 67. The word is koa or koa. If you choose to replace a with o with dot under, it sounds koa, but in this case it's koa. Both have the same meaning, plant. Okay, let's look at the past tense of kwa is koro, koro, planted. We are going to 68, and the word is kulite, kulite, especially used for little children, carry up. Okay, let's look at the past tense of kulite is kulitere, kulitere, carried up, kulitere. We are going to 69, and the word is kurume, kurume, breathe, kurume, breath, or breathe. Okay, past tense of breathe, kurume is kurume. The difference is just doubling the U in front of K, W, to sound kuru, ume. Remember I told you when you have a compound word, you only change the first word to past tense. The second word remains the same. I told you that earlier. So this is the sample again. Kurume, kurume, breathed. Let's go to 70. And the 70 is pareta oka, discuss. Pareta oka, discuss. What is the past tense? Using what I told you before. First word will be changed to past. Paretara, oka. Okay, second one remains the way it is. Paretara, oka, discussed. Let's go on to 71. Bo is the word. Bo, meaning call. And the past tense of bo is what? Is boro, 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 called. We are going to 72. And the word is bafue. Bafue, some will choose to remove the E at the back of bafue and replace with O to sound bafuo. Both are correct. Bafue, wander away. Let's go to the past tense of bafue. It is bafuru, bafuru, wandered away. We go to 73, and the word is buchie. Buchie means cover, cover. Let's look at the past tense of buchie. It is buchiri, covered, buchiri, covered. 74. Bezier means reconcile. Excuse me. Bezier, reconcile. What is the past tense of bezier? It is beziri, reconciled. Beziri. Let's go on to 75. The word is we. We is the word which means believe. We believe. What is the past tense of we? It is were, were, believed, were. Let's go to 76. The word is who, which means speak. Who, speak. What is the past tense? It is huru, huru, spoke. Huru, spoke. We'll move on. The next word is who. Look at the two words. This is who, same spelling, but difference is dot under the U and dot under the O. This one sounds who, the other one sounds who, who. This means pay, the other one means speak. Okay? What is past tense of who? It is koro, koro, paid. Okay? Let's go to 78. And the word is le, meaning look. Let's look at the past tense of le. It is lere, lere, looked, looked. We are going. 79. Lagachi is the word. Lagachi, go back. What is the past tense of lagachi? It is lagachiri, lagachiri, went back. We are going to 80. And the word is luo, marry. Luo, marry. If I say luo one, I say marry a woman. Let's go to the past tense of this. It is loro, loro, married. Loro, married. Go to 81. And the word is malite, malite. Okay, this is the same thing as bido. Some would prefer to use that in making sentence. Bido, start, begin, or malite. Both are the same thing. Let's look at the past tense. It is malitere, malitere, which means began. Let's go. 82. The word is makwo, meaning embrace. Makwo, embrace. The past tense of makwo is what? Makoro, makoro, embraced, makoro. Let's go to 83. The word is mechie, meaning close. Okay? Buchie is cover, while mechie is close. Don't mix the two up. Buchie, cover. Mechie, close. Let's go to the past tense of mechie. It is mechiri, which means closed. Mechiri. Let's go on to 84. The word is may, which means do. May, do. The past tense of may is mere. Mere, deed. Mere, deed. Let's go to 85. The word is maybe, meaning spoil or damage. What is the past tense of this? It is maybe, maybe, spoiled, maybe. Let's go to 86. And the word is megide, oppose or withstand, or withstand. Okay? Oppose, go against. Megide. What is the past tense of megide? Is megidere, opposed. Megidere, opposed. 87. The word is mefu, and that means spend. Spend. What is the past tense of mefu? It is mefuru. Mefuru, spent. We are moving on to 88, and the word is mota. Mota, meaning learn. Learn. And we're going to the past tense of mota. It is motara. Learned. Motara. Let's go to 89. And the word is more. More, give birth. More, give birth. And that, oh, it is actually more. That's the sound. More, give birth. More, and the past tense is moro. Moro, gave birth. We're going to 90. The word is nata. Nata, okay, which means receive. It can also be written as nara, changing the T to R to sound nara. Nara or nata is the same thing. It depends on what you prefer to use. Past tense of nata or nara is natara, received. Okay, natara, received. I think nata is better for the purpose of the past tense. Okay, we go to 91, and the word is nupu. Nupu, meaning push out. Push out. What is the past tense of nupu? It is nupuru. Nupuru, pushed out. We are going to 92, and the word is no, which means here. No, here. The past tense of no is noro. Noro, hard. Hard. Let's go. 93. The word is panye, meaning carry to, or carry to somebody. Carry a hand over to somebody. Panye. Let's look at the past tense of panye. It is panyere, carried to. Panyere. We are going to 94. The word is pinye. Pinye. This is used for liquid or semi-solid. Press into. Okay. Another space, another place. Okay. The past tense of pinye is pinyere. Pinyere. Pressed into. We are going to 95. And the word is palie, meaning lift. Lift, especially used for heavy objects. The past tense of palie is palili, paliri, paliri, lifted. Let's go to 96. And the word is pota, come out. Pota, come out. The past tense of pota is potara. Potara, came out. We are going on. The word in 97 is pue, pue, which means sprout, as does seed you plant in the ground. Pue, sprout, or pue, sprout. The past tense of pue or pue is puru. Puru, sprouted. Puru, sprouted. 98. The word is rafue. Some will change the E at the end to O to sound rafuo. Both are correct. Rafuo or rafue, deceive. Okay? The past tense of rafue is rafu, deceived. Rafu, deceived. Let's go to 91. 99. And the word is rie, meaning eat. What is the past tense of rie? It is riri. Riri, ate. Riri. Go to 100, and the word is re, meaning sell. I know you sell your goods or your wares or whatever. Past tense of re is what? It is re, sold. Re, sold. We'll go to 101. The word is racha. Racha means leak. It can be your fingers or liquid. Okay, we move on to the past tense of racha, and it is rachara, leaked. Rachara, leaked. 102. The word is sacha, meaning wash. Sacha, wash. What is the past tense? It is sachara. Sachara, washed. Let's go. 103. Sie is the word. Sie meaning cook. What is the past tense of sie? It is siri. Siri, cooked. Cooked, siri. We move to 104. And the word is say. Say. The past tense of say is siri. Siri, said. We're going on to 105. And the word is suo ude, which means mourn, for pleasure or for pain. Suo ude. What is the past tense of suo ude? It is soro ude, compound word again. First word to be changed. Second word remain the same. Soro ude, mourned. Okay, we go to 106. And the word is ta, which means chew. Ta, meaning chew. What is the past tense of ta? It is tara, chewed. Tara, chewed. Let's go to 107. The word is te, meaning rob. Te, rob. What is the past tense of te? The past tense of te is tere. Tere, robbed. Tere, robbed. And then we go to 108. The word is tinye, put into. Tinye, put into. The past tense of tinye is tinyere, put into. Okay? Of course, you know that the past tense of put is the same thing as put, no difference. So tinye, tinyere. We move to 109. And the word is tufuo, meaning throw away. Tufuo, throw away. What is the past tense of tufuo? It is tofuru. Tofuru, threw away. Tofuru. We go to 110, or 110 rather. The word is vor, meaning hatch. Vor, hatch. What is the past tense of vor? It is voro, hatched. Vor, present. Voro, past. 111. The word is vor, meaning comb. Vor, comb. What is the past tense of vor? It is voro, combed. Voro, combed. Let's go on to 112. The word is wa. That means split, as we do for wood or any other thing we break into two. And the past tense of wa is wara. Split is split, both present and past in English. Wa, split. Wara, split or splitted. I don't know. 113. The word is yinye, meaning put on or wear. Put on your clothes or anything. Yinye. Let's go to the past tense. It is yinyere, wore. Yinyere, wore or put on. 114. The word is yipu, meaning take off. Maybe your clothes or shoe or whatever. Yipu, take off. What is the past tense of yipu? It is yipuru, took off, yipuru. We go to 115, and the word is yocha, meaning sieve. Yocha, sieve. The past tense of yocha is yochara, sieved. Yochara. We move to 116. The word is za, which means answer. Za, answer. What is the past tense of za? It is zara. Zara, answered. We are going to 117. The word is zacha, which means sweep. Zacha, sweep. What is the past tense of zacha? It is zachara, swept. Zachara, swept. We go to 118, and the word is zere. Zere, meaning avoid. avoid. What's the past tense of zere? It is zere. Double E, that's the only difference. Zere, avoided. 119 now, the word is zipu, meaning send out. Send out. Past tense of zipu is what? Zipuru, zipuru, sent out. And we go to 120, the word is zota, meaning buy. Zota, buy. What is the past tense of zota? It is zotara, zotara. But great, you've made it to the last word for today. This is a conclusion of almost all Igbo verbs in present and past tense. Thank you for watching to this point. On the screen are 2 videos we selected which we think will be very helpful to you as you go on your Igbo language learning journey. Click on any of them, watch now, and you'll thank us later. See you in the next video. Thumbs up. Kemesia.